Good afternoon, welcome to another Project Bimmer video of my 1995 BMW E36 318i, and in this video I'm going to be replacing an air intake hose. In part 30, one of my eagle-eyed viewers noticed that this had split when I was doing the service, when I was changing the air filter. Obviously I moved the whole lot aside and it clearly showed up in the video. I didn't notice at the time, but like I says, one of the viewers spotted it, so I'll just pop clips off this air filter cover. Should be able to do it me one-handed. Right, just lift this off. I'll be like I said, I didn't notice, but look at that. There we go. That is well and truly split, and that's not going to help with fuel mixing. I've noticed it seems to kangaroo at low speeds. So obviously that needs to be replaced. So we'll get that done. Should be a nice easy job. I did a bit of looking online and didn't want to take any chances, so I thought I'd bite the bullet, get a genuine part from BMW, which was about 45 quid all in. So it didn't break the bank, so it should be just a matter of swapping it over. So changing this should be easy enough. It's only held on by a couple of clips. You can either use a screwdriver, 6mm socket, or what I'm doing, using on my small impact. And then it should just come off. To make things easy, I'll just disconnect that. There's a bit of airflow, so I pull that off and get that out of the way. And then it should be the same at this side. Oh, there's a vacuum hose as well, which I'd replaced in the previous video. Retrieve my clip. And try this, I'll need to tighten this back up. So there we go, that's the clips, and then there's just pulling the vacuum hose off. And then this resonator should just pull off, but first we'll get the new part. And my trusty knife. Cut that open. Did cross-reference it against the original part number. There's the new one next to the old one, and they're identical, so that's good. So I just need to swap out the resonator. And that just pushes in. And then this connector for the vacuum hose. Well, I was struggling getting that out, so what I did was I just slit it open, because this is going to be wasted anyway. So just that. Let's see where that goes. That should go something like that. So we'll just get this push in. It's a push fit. I might need a bit of a gentle persuasion. It's a bit cold out here, so I may need. Oh, hang on. It's cut me. I'm getting it in. Just push it in. Sorry you can't see half of this. It's almost as hard as getting it out. Right, I'm going to just keep pushing it and turning it. Nearly in. Just that last little bit. Right, just test this, make sure we're in something like the right place. Yeah, that's looking good. So time to get all this refitted. And then pop this clip in, and this should just push in. Yeah, that's looking good. So secure that. Better not have that on full power, full whack. And then doing the same with this. So just clip this air filter in. I forgot to put the clip in, didn't I? Yeah. I'm sure you're all shouting out, got the bloody clip! But we'll get round that easy enough. Might need to undo that a little bit more. There you go, that's on. Make sure all the hoses are securely in. Yep, that's all looking good. Better not forget to screw that in. And that is the job done. So no splits, no air leaks. Take it for a road test. Let's see if we fix a problem. So with the job finished, all that's left to do is to give it a road test. So we'll just see if it's improved, because in first when I was setting off it always kangaroo, but unfortunately not in the ideal conditions. It feels better already. So none of the kangarooing I were having before. And there's another opportunity test there, setting off in first gear. Oh yes, that definitely feels a lot better. No kangarooing. It's just kangarooing. It'd be alright once I got up through the gears and got up to speed, because air leak's not going to affect it at higher speeds. But I wonder if that is the problem with my Toyota, because that same hose or boot is split. I don't think a bit of tape's gonna work. It's just getting older one. It's the thing with BMW, you can get everything, even from the dealers. more than 20 years after production ended. There's a lay-by a bit further on here, so we'll just park up and we'll do another setting off just to confirm the problem's been fixed. Unfortunately, this snow's not really going to help, but maybe a few wheel spins. Okay, if we try to floor it, here we go. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we just wheel spinning with the snow, so just try it on the road. So here we go, try again. And take off, yep, it's a lot better, much better. So I think that's a confirmed fix. And I probably didn't know I had until one of my viewers spotted it. So thank you very much, you know who you are. Can't remember your name off the top of your head, but much appreciated. So I shall wrap the video here. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, and when one of my videos comes out, you get notified. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.